1. Eating healthy is too expensive. While it may take some planning and time in the kitchen, eating healthy on a budget is possible. Consider shopping seasonally, planning meals around sales, and opting for frozen or canned fruits and vegetables when fresh ones aren't available. 2. Gluten-free diet for everyone. Unless you have celiac disease or gluten intolerance, there's no need to avoid gluten. Whole wheat products provide essential B vitamins and fiber. Be cautious with gluten-free products, as they may contain added sugars or salt. 3. Unrefined sugars are healthier. Honey, maple syrup, and coconut sugar are still considered added sugars. The nutritional advantage of unrefined options is minimal. Moderation is key, regardless of the type of sugar. 4. Full-fat products cause weight gain. Not all fats are equal. Choose heart-healthy unsaturated fats, like olive oil, nuts, and avocados, over saturated and trans fats. Fat plays essential roles in our bodies, so don't fear it. 5. Avoid carbs for weight loss. Low-carb diets can lead to weight loss, but eliminating processed carbs like chips and white bread is the real reason. Focus on whole grains and fruits while maintaining a balanced diet. 6. Egg yolks are unhealthy. Egg yolks contain essential nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and antioxidants. Moderation is key, but don't skip the yolks entirely. 7. Microwaving destroys nutrients. Microwaving is actually one of the best cooking methods to retain nutrients. It's quick and uses less water, preserving vitamins and minerals. 8. Detox diets cleanse your body. Our liver and kidneys naturally detoxify our bodies. There's no need for extreme juice cleanses or detox diets. Focus on a balanced diet instead. 9. Carbs after 6 p.m. cause weight gain. The timing of carbs matters less than the overall quality and quantity. Choose whole grains and control portions throughout the day. 10. Red meat is always unhealthy. Lean cuts of red meat can be part of a healthy diet. Opt for grass-fed or organic options and limit processed meats like sausages and bacon. 11. Skipping meals helps with weight loss. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later. Regular, balanced meals are essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing excessive hunger. 12. Organic food is always healthier. While organic produce may have fewer pesticides, it's not necessarily more nutritious. Focus on a variety of fruits and vegetables, whether organic or conventionally grown. 13. Coffee stunts growth. There's no evidence that coffee affects height. In moderation, coffee can even have health benefits due to its antioxidants. 14. Frozen fruits and vegetables are less nutritious. Frozen produce is often picked at its peak ripeness and quickly frozen, preserving nutrients. It's a convenient and nutritious option. 15. Carbs make you gain weight. Carbohydrates provide energy and are essential for overall health. Choose whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over refined carbs. So there you have it, folks. Remember these food myth debunking tips next time you're in the kitchen, and enjoy delicious meals without any of the fuss. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty content. Happy cooking!